Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings and tap on the sound section. Here you will see the ring volume panel. Just to mute your ringtone, swipe this green dot with your finger to the left side by this way. And now you just can do it by the second way. Here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just press on one from these volume buttons, and now just by pressing your down volume button you'll see the panel and you can mute by this way your device. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.